Vivo is making waves again. This time, it's with the upcoming Vivo Y500, officially launching in China on September 1st. And its headline feature is something you don't see every day, a gigantic 8200 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right. This is Vivo's largest battery ever inside a smartphone, a huge jump from last year's Y300, which carried a 6500 mAh cell. But the Y500 isn't just about raw battery size. Vivo is pushing durability to a whole new level. This phone comes with IP69+, IP69, or IP68 ratings, which means it's not only resistant to dust and water, it's one of the toughest rated devices in the company's history. Add to that the SGS Gold Label 5-star certification for drop and impact resistance, and yes, the Y500 has even passed military-grade environmental testing. In short, this is a phone designed to last longer and take more punishment than anything Vivo has released before. Now, let's talk design. Vivo's official teaser gives us our first clear look. Up front, there's a punch-hole display, while the back houses a dual rear camera setup paired with a striking ring-shaped LED flash. The device will be available in 3 stylish colors, black, blue, and violet, giving buyers plenty of choice. Under the hood, reliable Tipster digital chat station has revealed the Y500 will be powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 7300 processor. That's a nice upgrade over the Dimensity 6300 used in the Y300, ensuring better performance and efficiency. The display is set to be a Full HD plus OLED panel with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. For photography, the phone packs a 50-megapixel main camera, along with a secondary lens on the rear, and up front, an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. So, with a massive 8200 mAh battery, rugged durability certifications, and upgraded performance, the Vivo Y500 is shaping up to be one of the most interesting mid-range smartphones of 2025. Vivo clearly wants this to be the phone you can rely on, whether it's for ultra-long battery life, or surviving the challenges of everyday life. What do you think? Would you sacrifice slimness and lightweight design for a phone that can last for days and handle extreme durability tests? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned, because pricing and availability outside China will be revealed very soon.